Good morning. We're here today at Frank's Pontiac Parts in 29 Palms, California. I got a 1965 GTO two-door hardtop body shell on a pallet that we're going to be putting up for sale. Now, this thing is a little rough, but it is a real GTO, but not too bad. I mean, it's got some rust and so forth, but considering its age, it's not too bad. We're going to go look at it here. I'm kind of up against the wall, so I can only get so close. We'll kind of walk around it once, and then we'll go back around it again, so you can kind of see what we've got. We did get the PHS documents on it. It's actually a tri-power automatic car with air conditioning, and it had power windows too. Unfortunately, most of the parts were missing on this thing when we got it. So we've actually got pictures on Facebook of what we got when we pulled it in. So here we go. We'll go a little bit closer, and you can see the trough right there in the dash. Looks pretty good. It's got some pitting, not bad. The roof is in real good shape. It's got some light surface rust, and it's also down to that red primer under the original white paint. There's no rust bubbles or anything in the B-pillars. There is some pitting in the tracks. The window, not bad. Some moron cut the speaker area right here, so that would need to be repaired. There is a hole on both sides on the top for a antenna. There's no rot at the front of the fender well there. There is a little bit at the back. We do have pictures of the underside on our website as well, so you can see those. There's a little bit of filler here and some dents. Tail panel looks great. Didn't see any issues there. Upper deck panel looks great. You can see on the inside, it's pretty straight. This is a real GTO again. The upper part of the trunk's good. The inside of the quarter looks great. Actually, the trunk floor's decent. It's kind of unusual. Usually they rot out. This quarter panel looks great. I don't think it's got any rust issues on this one. No rust, just some minor dents, and it's again down to that red primer. I don't know what happened here. That's pulled away. Looks like it's a little bent. Rockers are all in good shape. Cowl's in good shape. Floors are iffy. There's some holes in the floors. They could just be cut and patched. Looks like I'm being paged. Put that away. She's not going to go away. Go away. Okay, and the dash looks to be in great shape. And anyway, that's it. So 1965. Well, here, let me zoom in on this too. A lot of people want to see the cal tag. 1965 GTO body on a pallet, available at frankspontiacparts.com. These bodies can be loaded onto your trailer. Normally I wouldn't think this would be a great idea for truck freight shipping, but we have shipped out 3 of them this way now. They've come, and we've forklifted them onto the big car carrier, and they strap them down and go. So I guess that's a possibility too. So anyway, thank you for watching, and have a great day.